A group of Kitsap County voters are pushing to remove former President Donald Trump from the state's primary ballot in March. They plan to make a case in front of a district court judge this morning, but as King 5 Sebastian Robertson explains, the judge refused to hear the case.
Our intention is for it to be statewide.
School teacher Frankie Ithaca is behind a voter-led effort to remove Donald Trump from the Washington state primary ballot.
I have to live by what I teach in the classroom and how I run my classroom. And this was part of that.
She argues the former president participated in an insurrection on January 6th of 2021, which she believes invalidates him from public office, as per her interpretation of the 14th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution.
That disqualifies him from running for president, so he has no place on the ballot.
Ithaca, alongside 7 other Kitsap County voters, signed this paragraph-long affidavit calling for the former president's name to be removed from the Washington state primary ballot. But before the hearing could begin, the judge suggested a change of venue, that the petitioners take the case to Olympia instead.
I'm concluding today that given their unique position as the seat of our state government, we are not the appropriate situs for this action today, and I decline to hear it.
The brief hearing took place in a packed courtroom that included many supporters of the former president.
There's a push by several people in this country to take away fundamental constitutional rights. The right to vote and to pick the candidate of your choice is fundamental to our process.
As for Ithaca and her supporters, they see this challenge as part of the process, one that's happening alongside similar challenges in states across the country. The U.S. Supreme Court is expected to hear the case in February, and one that petitioners will take to Olympia, Thurston County, later this week.
You can't take away a vote from somebody when the vote is illegal under the rule of law. And if we are not a nation that adheres to the Constitution, then we have nothing to stand on.
In an email to King 5, the state GOP calls the challenge unserious, later describes it as theatrical nonsense, but says regardless, it will continue to defend the state's process in court. In Kitsap County, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.